Saksakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
The Lord is the seer, and the external energy which is seen works as both cause and effect in the cosmic manifestation. O greatly fortunate Vidur, this external energy is known as Maya or illusion, and through her agency only is the entire material manifestation made possible. The material nature, known as Maya, is both the material and efficient cause of the cosmos, but in the background the Lord is the consciousness for all activities. As in the individual body, the consciousness is the source of all energies of the body, so the supreme consciousness of the Lord is the source of all energies in material nature. This is confirmed in Bhagavad Gita as follows. Throughout all the energies of material nature, there is the hand of the Supreme Lord as the final superintendent. Due to this supreme cause only, the activities of material nature appear planned and systematic, and all things regularly evolve.